We mainly supply LED outdoor lighting products, including floodlights, solar lights, street lights, industrial lights, garden lights. Special non-standard customizations are also available because we have an experienced team offering professional solutions. The one-stop service we have to all our clients, from products to service, will bring more trust that finally lead to mutual success. With close collaboration with other well-known companies and institutions such as CREE, OSRAM, and CAS, we have plenty of breakthroughs on greatly improving products' performance, stability, and lifetime. Certificates are essential in lighting industry to meet different requirements and standards in global market. We already have CE, ROHS, FCC, ISO, and explosion-proof certificate, etc., to ensure products are qualified and reliable for different applications. In the near future, we are going to establish automated production lines for massive production. This will bring great benefits to increase productivity, quality, and process precision. Meanwhile, the price will also be more friendly to end consumers. We are confident and optimistic about the future, with a strong faith and a humble heart, working together as a perfect team to make the world a better place.